The Chinese Foreign Ministry strongly condemned violent protests in Hong Kong, hours after police fired tear gas to separate hundreds of protesters who smashed into the city's legislature. In India, at least 21 people are dead after a wall weakened by heavy rain collapses onto homes in Mumbai. In Siberia, the Russian Ministry of Emergencies says at least 18 people are dead and 17 missing after severe floods hit the Irkutsk region. And tens of thousands of people arrive in cities and towns across northern Chile in one of the world's best places to witness Tuesday's solar eclipse.